For this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire picture match yourself. So the first thing you actually need is your vocabulary list, which is on slide 2. Click right here to open up the Quizlet list. You're going to want to keep that open in one tab. And then go back to slide 4, where it says click here for the activity. Click there to open up the activity. You have to be a member of our Google Classroom in order to find it. So message me if you can't find it. On slide 3, here's the link to join our Google Classroom, in case you have not already. So when you open up the activity right here on slide 4, you'll get slides that look like this. These are your words in Spanish, and then there are pictures that go with them. So our job is to match the pictures with the words here. And I'm going to walk you through all the words. The first word here is recoge. Recoge means to pick up or to gather. You don't have to type it. I like to type it in English. You don't have to. You're just going to find the picture that matches recoge, which is this little butterfly net here, and you're going to click and drag it right here. The next word is sientate. I know it looks like sientate, but that's not how we pronounce it in Spanish. It's sientate. Sientate means sit down. These are words that you would use in school. That's what mandatos de la clase mean. So the picture that goes with sit down is this dude sitting right here. Levántate. I know, again, it looks like levitate. It kind of looks like levitate, which helps you remember it. But levántate means get up. And that's the dude stretching over here in his bed. So you're going to click and drag him over there. I'm just going to keep talking and stop dragging the pictures. Pon means put. Actually, I will drag the pictures. This is the one of the dude putting sunscreen on his face. I couldn't find a very good picture that went with that. That was school-oriented. But pon could be like put your homework on the table or things like that. It means to put. Helps you remember they're both 3 letters and they both start with P. This word, cierra, in Spanish we roll the double R. Cierra means close, like close the door. And I'm pretty sure, yes, that's the one with the key. Dame. Dame means give me. I know it looks like dame, and it is a word in English, dame, but in Spanish we would pronounce it dame. Dame means give me, which is, I think, yes, it's this blue and pink one. For some reason they're giving a clock, don't know why. Escribe. The next word, escribe, means to write. If it helps you remember, the word scribe is in it, and a scribe is somebody whose job it is to write. So I know it looks like e-scribe. Don't say e-scribe. It's escribe. It's a command saying write. So that's what I would say to you in school. Escribe, write, whatever. Write the page number that's on the book. And then this word is pronounced dibuja. The J sounds like a really strong H in Spanish, like you're about to spit on somebody. I know it looks like dibuja, and it's a funny looking word. It's pronounced dibuja, and it means to draw. So you're just going to click and drag the picture of the dude drawing right there. If you need to pause it right here, go ahead and pause and get your answers down. I'm going to go on to the next slide. This word, the first word right here, borra. Borra means erase. I'm not going to drag the pictures for this one. You can listen to the video and find the picture of the erasers. Right there, it says erase, borra. Mira, mira means look. If you're Hispanic, it's probably your mom's favorite word. Mira, look. And that is the picture of, oh, it says look. Pásame. I know it looks like pasame. Ignore the urge to say pasame. It's pásame. Pásame means pass it to me. And that's the picture of the dudes playing football, soccer right there. This word, escucha. I know it looks like scooch. It means listen. That's another one that your mom likes to say to you if you're Hispanic. Escucha is listen. And that's the picture of the ear with the hand. It looks kind of weird. Rapido. I know it looks like rapido. Don't say rapido because then you sound like a gringo. Rapido means fast. And I think that's the picture of the Flash. Despacio is the opposite of fast, and it means slow. That's the picture of the turtle, little turtle. Señala, the little N with the mustache, sounds like an NY combination in Spanish. It's ña. It's called the ñe. Señala means point to or show me. And that's the picture of the hand pointing. And then guarda, I know it looks like guarda, guarda, it means put away. So it's kind of like guarding. And that's the picture of the arrow pointing to the folder. I couldn't find a better picture. So you're going to click and drag these pictures in here, and then you're just going to hit turn in Google Classroom. Make sure you actually click and drag the pictures for the second slide. I didn't do it because I want you to actually think and do it yourself.